Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Wayne, New Jersey. Today's date is the last day of October, the 31st, 2024. Yeah, we're going to take this little ride down in Wayne. We'll see what goes on. This will be a third video I made today. I don't know if they're not all linked. One's over there, one's over there, so maybe I'll put them all, I don't know. But I want to thank my subscribers. Appreciate you guys joining me on this ride, my journey. The time is 12 o'clock. There's a garbage can in the way here, so we'll go around it. Look at these things over here, wow. Look at this decoration. Gotta be careful. Gotta look everywhere. Nice decorations over here though. Yeah, let's see what the temperature is. I always check the temperature now. 61 degrees, but like I was saying, it doesn't feel like 61. It feels more like 71. There's our beautiful sun shining down on us. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful flag here. Yeah, so we'll take this all the way down. Then I'll see if I can get a haircut. It was not open before. And it probably will be too crowded now. And maybe I'll go to ShopRite or somewhere, get some food. What a beautiful day today. I want to say sorry to my last video. I know it was kind of grainy. I didn't realize it was going to be like that. It was 5:30 in the afternoon though when I recorded it, so I don't know if that meant anything. I did mess with the camera. I put all the settings back the way I had it. I think it might be better this way. I don't know, we'll see how this is. You know, it's hard to compare because it was 5 o'clock in the afternoon. If I would have did it today, those settings on that camera, maybe I could have compared them. But nevertheless, it was in the afternoon, 5:30. So 5:30, I don't quite remember. But I know it was evening. And right now we're in the afternoon too, 12 o'clock. It's 5 minutes after 12. So, yep. Wayne, New Jersey, guys. Thank you for coming on a ride with me. Appreciate it. Always nice to have viewers watch my videos. It's a little hazy out, but at least sunny for the most part. Thank God for that. My GoPro really doesn't, well, I guess any GoPro really doesn't show the video that great when it's, oh, my nose itchy. Excuse me. Really doesn't show the video that great when it's kind of like, I don't know, grainy, I should say. Kind of grainy in the evening. Hopefully you can excuse it. Still got a few views on it, I appreciate that. And maybe I'll put this one out, one of the 3 I did. I let this guy go by. Atlantic landscape, nice. Atlantic Ocean. How do you like that? Got some lions over here. Oh. Yeah, let's see how this video is going to be. My thing is off. Didn't realize that was going to happen. I don't pay attention, that's why. Pay attention. Oh, look how beautiful the sun is. Let's go down this street. Hey, I got a leaf stuck on my tire. It came off. Everybody wants to see my bike. You want to see the bike? There's the bike. With the light on. And there's this side. She's a cruiser. That tire. I got this at Walmart. Just to keep my lock in there. Let's go down this street and then we'll turn around and go back down. How's that? We'll see what's going on over here. Oh, it's pretty nice over here. Yeah. Probably a dead end though. I still got all my bars. Nah, I don't know if I got all of them. Yeah, I got 4.5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4.5. Got over here. Look how nice it is here. That probably goes right around. Yeah, cool. I'm liking this. Nice. Something for you guys. Beautiful. Very sunny day. My nose is itchy though. Very sunny day today, thank God, in Wayne, New Jersey. Ah, it's beautiful, beautiful. Look how nice this is. 5 minutes after 12. My fastest speed today was another plane. It's a blue one. Never saw a blue one before. It's up in the sky up there. Oh, hope you can see it there. Nah, it went away. Oh well. Sorry, guys. I never have any luck. Beautiful here. Already the leaves are piling up, right? Hey, that was cool what we just did. Hopefully there's a street I can go across. Oh, my nose is so itchy. There's a street right there. How do you get over there? There's a little rocket bike over there. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a nice house. Oh, my kickstand, heard it? Ah, what a day, huh? Just cruising around Wayne, New Jersey. Don't know exact Lincoln Place and Carroll Place. We're on Carroll Place. Beautiful day, huh, guys? Fall, autumn. I told my friend Ray Spellman I was going to do a recording in Wayne. Here it is, Roy. I gotta get over there. I hope I don't have to turn around and go back. I might have to. Keeps going in circles over here. In and out, in and out. It's all right. That car behind me. Oh, we're on Prickness. How the heck did we get here? Oh my God. This is cool. Let's go straight. Oh wow, this is awesome. How did we end up on Prickness Ave? Alright, good. Let me show you this, guys. Looks like this water is rolling pretty good. Oh, look at the bass. Oh wow, maybe I'll be trout. I don't know what they are. Wow. Maybe native trout. Prickness Bible Church? Is that what it says? Yep. I almost went down there. I want to do that. Oh wow, this is nice over here. I ride this all the time. And not with my bike though. I can't believe I ended up over here. This is cool. So we'll ride down this way a little bit. Oh, I gotta watch this here. This is not good. Yeah. How nice is this, huh? I just don't like the bumpy road. A sidewalk, I should say. Yeah, I don't trust the roads anymore. And once that car got so close to me that day, oof, he was like a foot away from me. Right on this side, my left side. Zoom! And he had no care in the world. When I looked at the video, he had like 5 feet on the other side. That's why I really think he did it deliberately. What is this? It's like a ping pong table or something. Nice houses over here. Yeah, we'll go up this way a little bit and then we'll call it. Yeah, the bike moves, man, uphill here. What a day for an e-bike ride. I don't think they trimmed their bushes here. Wow. I want to see how long we've been recording for that.